Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Frank Mularcik, and in this video, we're going to be going over every single company in the S&P 500 that is expected to raise their dividend in the month of October. The first few companies we're going to take a look at, we're going to go in depth, take a look at the current dividend, their average 5-year dividend growth rate, and how much I'm expecting the dividend to grow by this year. And then we're also going to look at, when that company is expected to grow or announce the dividend increase in the month of October. And then we're also going to go through a number of companies, just mention them briefly, that are also in the S&P 500 and are a little bit less notable, but are also increasing their dividend in the month of October. The first company on the list here is ABBV, ticker symbol ABBV, and their current dividend per share per quarter is $1.41. And over the past 5 years, they've grown the dividend on average by 17.46% per year. And if they increase the dividend this year by 17.46%, then the next quarterly dividend that they'll announce will be $1.66. I, on the other hand, am going to predict a substantially smaller dividend of $1.56 that they will announce, and that equates to about a 10.64% raise. And then I'm expecting them to raise their dividend on October 28th, which is the last Friday of the month. The next company on the list here is ExxonMobil, ticker symbol XOM. Their current dividend per share per quarter is 88 cents. And over the past 5 years, they've increased the dividend by 2.98% annually on average. And if they increase the dividend by that roughly 3% this year, then the next dividend announcement will be 91 cents per share. I'm predicting a little bit less than that, even at 90 cents per share, which will be about 2.27% increase. And I'm expecting them to announce that on the Wednesday of the last week of October, which will be October 26th. The next company up here is A.O. Smith, ticker symbol AOS. Their current dividend is 28 cents per share, and over the past 5 years, they've been growing the dividend at an astounding 15.71% on average. If they grow that dividend at that 15.71% this year, then the next dividend announcement will be 32 cents per share. And I'm expecting, again, a little bit lower than their average. I'm expecting 30 cents per share, which will be about a 7.1% increase. And I'm expecting them to increase the dividend on October 10th, which is the Monday of the second full week of the month. The next company is American Electric Power, ticker symbol AEP, and their current dividend is 78 cents per share. Over the past 5 years, they've grown the dividend on average 5.74% per year, and that would give them an 82-cent dividend if they continued at that growth rate. Again, I'm going to go a little bit below, and in the case of rounding, it's still going to be at 82 cents, but that percentage is about 5.13% that I'm expecting them to grow the dividend. And I'm expecting that dividend announcement on October 8th, which is the Tuesday of the second to last week. The fifth company on the list here is VF Corp, ticker symbol VFC. They are in the real estate space, and recently they have, cut some of their guidance for 2023. So that has really sent the stock price down. I think their dividend yield is getting close to 6%. So really, if they can increase the dividend at all, that's really awesome for shareholders. So right now, their current dividend is 50 cents per share per quarter, and over the past 5 years, they've grown the dividend about 4.81% on average per year. And if they continue that pace, then the next dividend they announce will be 52 cents, but I'm predicting 51 cents per share, which will be around a 2% increase, and they should announce that sometime within the last 2 weeks of the month. They haven't been super consistent on when they do declare those dividend increases over the past few years. And another company that does start with V is Visa, ticker symbol V. Their current dividend is 38 cents per share per quarter, and over the past 5 years, their average dividend growth has been about 17.8%, which is the highest one on the list. And if they continue at that pace, their next dividend announcement will be 45 cents. I think they'll be a little bit below that at 42 cents per share, which will give them about a 10.5% growth year over year. And they should announce that on the Friday of the second to last week, which will be October 21st. So these 6 companies are the ones in the S&P 500 that I wanted to go in depth on. And then there are 14 more companies in the S&P 500 that are expected to raise their dividends in the month of October. So we'll just go through those pretty quickly. The first one, Amphenol Corporation, APH, Brown & Brown Incorporated, ticker symbol BRO, Crown Castle Incorporated, ticker symbol CCI, DTE Energy Company, ticker symbol DTE, Duke Realty Corp, ticker symbol DRE, Entergy Corporation, ticker symbol ETR, Hartford Financial Services Group Incorporated, ticker symbol HIG, Huntington Bankshares Incorporated, ticker symbol HBAN, Principal Financial Group Incorporated, ticker symbol PFG, Rockwell Automation, ticker symbol ROK, Rollins Incorporated, ticker symbol ROL, Seagate Technology Holdings PLC, ticker symbol STX, West Pharmaceutical Services Incorporated, ticker symbol WST, and Westrock Company, ticker symbol WRK. So those are all 20 of the companies in the S&P 500 that are expected to increase their dividends in the month of October. Let me know down in the comments below which one you guys are most excited for, and let me know if there's a company in the S&P 500 that is going to be increasing their dividend that I didn't include that you think is worthy of mentioning as well. And if you guys did miss the community post, I did start a Discord recently, so if you want to join that, feel free. It will be a great place to just connect with you guys more, talk about stocks, investing, the stock market, dividends, retirement, stuff like that, and just life in general. So if you guys do want to join that, I would love to have you. The link will be in the description and the pinned comment down below. Just want to thank everyone for sticking around to the end of the video, and I'll see you all in the next one.